Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your stock market strategies with Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your stock market strategies with Robinhood, begin by creating a strong account password. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This ensures that your account is less vulnerable to hacking attempts. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account. This extra layer of security provides added protection against unauthorized access. You can choose to receive codes via text or through an authenticator app. After securing your login credentials, familiarize yourself with the app's security features. Use the account monitoring tool to keep an eye on your investment activities. Set up alerts for significant changes in stock prices or unusual account activity. Regularly review your account statement and transaction history. Look for any discrepancies that could indicate unauthorized transactions. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk across different investments. Research each stock thoroughly before making a purchase. Use Robinhood's research tools and market data to stay informed. Keep an eye on market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Educate yourself on the fundamentals of investing to make informed decisions. Establish a clear investment strategy based on your financial goals. Decide whether you are looking for short-term gains or long-term growth. Consider dollar-cost averaging as a method to reduce the impact of market volatility. Regularly revisit your investment goals and adjust your portfolio as necessary. Maintain an emergency fund separate from your investment accounts. This will allow you to avoid the need to sell investments in case of unforeseen expenses. Stay updated on financial news that could impact your investments. Follow economic indicators and sector news to anticipate market movements. Finally, always be patient and disciplined with your investment approach. Avoid emotional decision-making and stick to your strategy. With these steps, you can secure your strategies and optimize your experience with Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.